Hey, what's up? My name is Ruben. Today I'm gonna walk you through on how to play tonight Nonso Amadi. This song is an easy one, so I'm sure that you'll be able to play it after you're done with the tutorial. As always, if you have a song that you want me to do a tutorial on, just feel free to let me know in the comment area. If you learn from this tutorial, make sure you leave a thumbs up. It really helps with the ranking of these videos. And if you're new to the channel, subscribe so that you don't miss out on future tutorials. So with that, let's kick off right after this. So this song is in the key of C sharp. Well, in that case, I'll be using my my capo. So I'll cap on my first fret, and then I will play as I will use the same chord forms as I would have used if the key was C. So cap on the first fret. The progression of this song is 4, 6, 1, and then 2, 1, 4, 6, 1, 2, 1, 4. So the 4 is an F chord. So in this case, I am playing with my pointer finger on the first fret. So if I say first fret, I'm counting from where the capo is. So I'm not counting from like this bridge. So my pointer finger playing string number 2 on the first fret. My middle finger playing string number 3 on the second fret. Ring finger playing string number 5 on the third fret, and small finger playing string number 4 on the third fret. So remember, I'm counting my frets from the capo. And then the chord that follows is an A minor chord. So A minor, I'm using my pointer finger to play string number 1 on pointer finger playing string number 3 on the first fret. My middle finger playing string number 5 on the second fret, and my ring finger string number this string sorry, my pointer finger is playing string number 2 first fret, middle finger playing string number 4 second fret, and my small finger string number 3 second fret. So A minor. And then the chord that follows will be a C chord. So C chord, pointer finger is on string number 2 first fret, middle finger string number 4 second fret, and my ring finger string number 5 third fret. So you can either play the C chord or the bar chord form of C chord, which is pointer finger will play the 5th string on the third fret, and then with your ring finger you will bar on the 5th fret, you bar string number 2, 3, and 4. Well, this other chord, which is a D minor chord. This is the 2 chord of the key of C. So I am using my pointer finger on the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5th fret, barring string 1 to 5 on the 5th fret. My middle finger string number 2 on the 6th fret, my ring finger string number 4 on the 7th fret, and my small finger string number 3 on the 7th fret. So that's the minor chord. So those are the chords that comprise the progression for the song. So again, F, A minor, C, D minor, so that's how you will play that song. Well, it's quite simple song, so I hope you will learn that song. So guys, as always, if you have a song that you want me to do a tutorial on, just let me know in the comment area. And if you learn from this tutorial, just leave a thumbs up, because it will really help with the ranking of these videos. Plus it really motivates me to continue putting out this content. And if you're new to the channel, subscribe. Also hit the notification bell so that you're always notified whenever I upload a video. So with that, let's see each other on the next one. Ciao.